Facing issues with Siri when you connect your iPhone to your AirPods? This is usually due to a connection problem or some settings on your iPhone that need adjusting. Don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Make sure Siri is enabled. First, we'll check if Siri is even turned on. On your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Siri. After this, tap on Talk to Siri. And make sure this is set to Siri or Hey Siri or simply Hey Siri. If it's turned off, then turn it on and follow the rest of the setup process. Now go back and toggle on Allow Siri when locked. Once these are turned on, test Siri and check your issue. Solution 2. Check AirPods settings for Siri. Now let's make sure your AirPods are set to activate Siri. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, find your AirPods and tap the eye icon next to them. Tap on left AirPod. Here you will see a Siri option. Make sure one side is set to Siri. With this set, try using Siri again. Either press and hold the AirPod or double tap the selected AirPod to check if Siri shows up. This might just fix the problem. Solution 3. Disconnect and reconnect the AirPods. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. In the bottom, you will find Forget this device option. Just tap on it and confirm your choice. After this, get both your AirPods in the charging case and follow the pairing process to connect your AirPods back. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to fix Siri on your AirPods. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.